Hey everybody, Ben here, and I just want to show you this electric motor. This was just kind of an oddball find. This showed up on Facebook Marketplace. So it's an electric motor. It's an old GE aircraft starter generator electric motor. So it's a big, beefy motor. There's your banana for scale. And then on the end of it is an aluminum adapter plate, which has 4 holes in it, and that bolts right to a Volkswagen transmission. And then it actually also has the clutch right on it as well. So that matches up with the input shaft on the VW transmission. And I looked down in there, can't really get it on camera, but it looks like there's even a bearing built in way at the end. So it really looks like a well-designed setup. I don't know who did this, but it was quite a while back anyways. On here, I did get the cover off the commutator end so that we can take a look at the brushes and the commutator. And overall, it looks pretty good. It's relatively clean in there. It's big double brushes, lots of them. It spins freely. No issues there. Seems like the bearings are decent. There's a little bit of surface corrosion in a few places. The end has a shroud on here that's designed for a blower to attach, and it's got a bunch of these little screws here. I got a lot of them out, but not all of them, so I can't pull this off. But there's not really anything in there. There's no internal blower. This is for a hose for an external one, because we can kind of see right through there. So that's really just a cover. I'd have a better view into here if it were off, though. And then up on top, we've got our main power terminals. And what I can do with that is hook these up to some power, see if I can make it spin. So this is marked as being 120 volts. So normally I'd test this with like 12 volts, but this big beefy thing, I'm going to do 24. So I've got 2 12-volt batteries down here going to some jumper cables, and I'm going to hook it up right here. So for starters, we've got this motor strapped down, so it's connected to the table, so even though it's got this heavy weight on here, if I start up suddenly, it's not going to spin and fall off the table or anything. Already have one end of the jumper cables connected. I'm going to give it a little spin just to reduce startup current. And here we go. Nope. Is that a bad spot on the commutator? Bad connection, maybe? And there you go. It spins, it works, so it looks like we're about 4 volts away from an electric car conversion.